preparing and have you made your Christmas list?
Well, house and lot lang naman po gusto ko.
Grabe na.
Hindi pa naman po. I just hope na makasama ko parents ko. I know they're busy. My mom's in Europe. My dad's busy with his side of his family. So hopefully makasama ko sila. But if not, I'll be with Kylie and her family. So I think that would be very special as well.
How are you preparing and
Wish list? Wala po eh. Actually, hindi talaga ako gumagawa ng list pag sa Pasko. Kung meron po po regalo, maraming salamat. Kung wala, it's okay. Love and prayers.
Oo. Sabi ni Kobe, sa inyo na lang daw siya magpapasko pag kung talagang ano.
Opo. Wow.
So,
Ayan si Papa Jack.
nag-iisip na pa kayo ng gift for each other?
Kakasabi ko lang po sana house and lot. Pero kung hindi ko pa nakuha yun, okay lang ako sa kitchen. Condo. Condo tsaka kotse. Wala pa naman.
Wala po.
We don't really talk about it.
Ay, kung meron nun po, ba't ko sasabihin sa kayo?
Ay, actually, yung gusto ko sana magluto si Kai para sa akin. Pero kung ayaw, grab na lang kami.
Bakit naman tayo mo sinasabi na brand?
Ikaw, Kyle.
Wish